Outstanding design defines the 2013 Hyundai Elantra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Hyundai paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and cruise control. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.